The Senegalese opposition leader Ousmane Sonko is calling for mass protests ahead of an expected verdict in his rape trial on Thursday. Sonko claims he's being illegally held by security forces and is speaking out on social media. He had set out for Dakar on Friday ahead of the outcome of that trial that could render him ineligible to run in next year's presidential election. We get the latest from our correspondent in Senegal, Sam Bradpeace.
Ousmane Sonko has been under house arrest since Sunday, but perhaps that is now the least of his concerns. On Thursday, a judge will rule whether or not he is guilty of raping a young beauty salon employee called Adji Sarr, something that Mr. Sonko denies. A guilty verdict, if upheld, would send the Senegalese opposition leader to prison and disqualify him from taking part in next year's presidential election. Mr. Sonko has always insisted that he only ever visited the beauty salon for treatments for his bad back. But testimony in court last week made the establishment sound more like a brothel with sexual services such as naked massages on offer. Also last week in court, Adji Sarr testified in graphic detail about the number of occasions on which she said she was raped by Mr. Sonko. The case has proven incredibly divisive here in Senegal. Mr. Sonko and his supporters say that the charges and the allegations against him have been orchestrated by the government in order to eliminate him from the presidential race. Both sides in court say that the other simply doesn't have solid proof.